So now that we have the summer solstice, I mislabeled the video as winter. So like I said, I'll fix it later, but I can't right now. We have the winter sunrise. Did it again. Summer sunrise and the summer sunset. Now we need to draw an arc, or where the sun's going to rise in the winter, where it's going to set in the winter. To do that, we refer back to all the data that we received from the Sun Earth tool and type that in. So in December, which is winter, let me try this again where I rotate this object, enter when done, and I'm still going to copy this. Center rotation is at that same 0 point. The first angle of reference is still at that due north 0, and it's going to spin around to about here. Okay, and that angle, note again, there's a negative number going on this side, so I'm going to say that it is negative 118.05 and enter. Okay, since I didn't do anything else, it's still asking me what else do you want to copy. I'm going to have a line somewhere over there, so I'm going to type in negative 241.95, enter, and hit enter again to release that command. And so now we have the winter sunrises right here, sunsets over on this side right here. Okay. For the spring and fall, it is the equinox, so you could just do one and you should be able to get away with it. But right now it's so close to 90 degrees, I'm just going to say that it's 90 degrees. So from the center, set it due east, and then also due west, and that's where my sunset's going to be. Trim. You could go ahead and type all that stuff in. Trim, cutting edges is this, cut that, cut that. But basically what I'm saying is that the sunrise is from the east, sunset is from the west. Okay. Now what we want to do is to figure out where the noon sun is. Okay. So for that, I could go ahead and draw another line, but this time draw a line and then make it due south. Trim. Okay. And for this to work, I need to be in the front view so I can look at it from this side of the screen, like so. And that right side is this view right here. So at the, let's go back from the summer. At summer, we said that the elevation is what? Yes, don't all speak at once. It's 79.39 degrees. Okay, so what we're going to do is to rotate this object right here, but we're going to go into the right view. Okay, so hit yes, and where am I going to rotate it from? I rotate it from that center, but this time I'm going to go into the right hand view and bring the line out way out here, and I'm going to try to bring this up, and that is going to be at 79.39 degrees. Notice on this part right here it says the angle is going at a negative direction, so I'm going to type in negative 79.39 degrees, 39, enter. Oh, I screwed it up.
Which one is this for?
Okay, so as I was spinning all this around, I probably got lost, so we're going to try this again. Rotate, hit enter, select that, enter from the center point there, and I'm going to go to the right view and select that point right there. And as I'm lifting up, it is going to the negative direction. I'm going to hit negative 79.39 and enter. And notice, hit enter again, that there is in the 3D view, the sun is pretty much right above us, right? Okay, we're going to try this again for the winter. So if I say rotate, enter, select the object, enter, select the center point, and then go into the right view, click, and then lift it up. And for the winter, it is 32.51. It is going towards the negative direction, so I'm going to type in negative 32.51 and enter, and there it is. For the equinox, it does say it's 56.12 or 55.994. I'm just going to round this off and just make it so that I could just draw one line. So for that, I'm going to say rotate, the same object on the south side, enter, from the intersection from the right view, and then let's just type in 56, enter, and there is, oh, I should have gone in the negative direction, right? So let's try that again. Rotate, select from the center, go to the right view, go up into the negative 56, enter, and there is the 3 points of line. Okay, from here, this is going to be the summer noon. This right here is going to be the winter noon. This right here is going to be the equinox noon. Okay, so what I could do is to connect these 3 points from the sunrise to the noon to the sunset, and I should have this, the arc of the sun. Let me do that on the next video.